the pandemic hit, schools closed and learning became dependent on technology. Those who didn't have access or knowledge about devices were left behind.
Technology has become a necessity in our lives, not just for learning, but even through connecting with our world.
Sabi nila, you can teach old dogs new tricks, pero hindi. As teachers, we have to really keep up with our students. So practically, we need to be more well-versed about technology para naman may maituro tayo sa kanila at hindi sila yung nagtuturo sa atin. Hindi siya foe. AI is a friend. Pero, dapat din marunong tayo kung paano siya gamitin at hindi siya ang gagamit sa atin. And at the same time, we have to also teach our students to check the credibility ng mga pinoproduce ni AI. Kasi si AI, pwede siyang mag-hallucinate. So basically, as educators, young or old, nahaharap po tayo sa bagong era ng AI na ito. So I think what we can do is to embrace it and at the same time, learn how to maximize its use. At the same time, we also ought to learn our students kung paano gamitin ang AI responsibly. Yun lang po.